Welcome to BABAKAY'S kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to make Nigerian red stew. Today's ingredients for the red stew consist of 6 tomatoes, 4 bell peppers, 2 small onions, 3 Scotch bonnets, a pound of beef, a pound of chicken, green seasoning, thyme, some curry, the Knorr Seasoning, and of course, vegetable oil. I'm going to be seasoning the meat, the beef and the chicken. I'm going to put them both together and I'm going to season it all at the same time. I'm going to add some of the green seasoning. Some thyme. A little bit of curry, the Knorr Seasoning, I'm going to mix it up together. I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes before I boil it. For the correct measurement, it's gonna be down below in the description box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend the bell peppers, tomato, onion, and the Scotch bonnet. I'm also going to be adding some tomato paste to the blend. Okay, now we're going to boil the chicken and the beef for the stew. Put a liter of water. And we're gonna let it cook on medium heat. I'm gonna put in some diced onions for flavor. So I'm gonna be boiling the tomato, bell pepper, and onion. I'm gonna let it boil down on medium heat. So now the tomato is ready, so we're gonna turn it off and let it sit. And we're gonna be checking the chicken now. So the chicken is equally ready, so we're gonna turn it off and get ready to fry the chicken. Now the chicken is ready to go in. So we're gonna be using the oil that we use to fry the chicken and the beef for cooking the stew. Put in some chopped onions to flavor the oil again. Let this onion fry a little bit. So now we're going to be putting the cooked tomato paste in here. So now I'm going to put the Knorr Seasoning. A little bit of the thyme. And also a little bit of the curry powder. Also the Scotch from the boiled chicken and beef. To give it a little more flavor and seasoning. So I'm gonna let it boil down for about 10 minutes before I add the fried meat. It's been boiling for about 10 minutes, so it's now time for me to put the fried meat. So we're gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes and it's gonna be ready to serve. On medium heat. Everything is looking good and delicious. I can smell the aroma. And 5 more minutes and it's gonna be ready to serve. Finished dish, red Nigerian stew. You can eat this with white rice, jollof rice, boiled yam, boiled plantain, whichever your preference is. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.